Drones have become commonplace. Their use has exploded in recent years. Law enforcement agencies are now using them regularly. They provide valuable assistance in investigations. Drones can access difficult terrain. They capture aerial views of crime scenes. This technology provides crucial evidence. Investigators use this evidence to solve complex cases. The use of drones in investigations is not limited to law enforcement. Insurance companies use drones for claims assessments. Construction companies utilize them for site inspections. These sectors also generate valuable data. This data can be crucial in legal proceedings and internal investigations. As drone use increases, so does the need for drone forensics. This specialized field focuses on extracting and analyzing data from drones. The insights gained from this data are critical. They help investigators understand incidents and reconstruct timelines. Drone forensics starts with data extraction. This is the initial and crucial step in understanding the drone's activities and history. This involves retrieving information stored within the drone, such as its memory card and internal storage. This data includes flight logs, GPS coordinates, and media files like photos and videos taken during its flights. It provides a wealth of information about the drone's activities, including where it has been and what it has captured. Forensic experts utilize specialized tools for data extraction, ensuring that all relevant data is accurately retrieved. One such tool is FTK Imager, a powerful software used in digital forensics. FTK Imager creates an exact copy of the drone's storage media, known as a forensic image. This ensures that the original data remains untouched and unaltered, preserving its integrity. Preserving data integrity is crucial for legal proceedings, as it ensures the evidence is admissible in court. Another powerful tool is Magnet Axiom, which is widely used in the field of digital forensics. Axiom analyzes the extracted data, providing detailed insights into the drone's activities. It identifies and recovers deleted files, revealing hidden information that might be crucial for the investigation. These tools, along with others like Celebrite, provide a comprehensive suite for drone data extraction and analysis. The extracted data is carefully analyzed by forensic experts who meticulously examine every detail. They look for patterns, anomalies, and connections that could provide insights into the drone's usage. This analysis helps paint a clearer picture of the drone's activities, including its flight paths and any unusual behavior. It also helps establish its role in an incident, providing crucial evidence that can be used in investigations and legal cases. Drones are often controlled using mobile devices. These devices store a treasure trove of information. This information includes user profiles, flight plans, and communication logs. Accessing this data is essential for a complete investigation. Forensic investigators utilize similar tools for mobile device extraction. They connect the device to a forensic workstation. This workstation extracts data without altering the original information. The extracted data from mobile devices can reveal crucial details. It can show who operated the drone and when. It can also uncover pre-planned flight paths and any communication related to the drone's operation. This information is invaluable in investigations. It can corroborate or refute witness statements. It can also provide leads and establish connections between individuals. In some cases, a thorough physical examination of the drone is absolutely necessary to uncover hidden details. This involves meticulously disassembling the drone piece by piece to ensure no component is overlooked. Experts then examine its internal components with precision, looking for any signs of tampering or wear. This detailed process can reveal valuable information that is not found in the digital data, such as physical damage or modifications. For example, damage to the drone's propellers can indicate a collision or impact, providing clues about its last moments in flight. The presence of foreign objects or debris on the drone's body can offer insights into its flight path and environment. Physical examination requires specialized knowledge and skills to interpret the findings accurately. It's crucial to handle the components with care to avoid causing further damage to the evidence, which could compromise the investigation. Disassembling a drone allows for the inspection of soldering points and any modifications that may have been made. This can reveal if the drone has been tampered with or customized, which might indicate unauthorized use or alterations. Such discoveries can be crucial in investigations involving illegal activities, such as smuggling or unauthorized surveillance operations. The combination of physical examination and digital data analysis provides a comprehensive understanding of the drone's history and usage. This integrated approach creates a more complete and accurate representation of events, aiding in the resolution of complex cases. Section 5. Deciphering the data making sense of drone discoveries. Once data is extracted from the drone, the real work of analysis begins. This is where the expertise of forensic analysts comes into play. Forensic experts use a variety of specialized tools and software to interpret the extracted data. These tools are designed to handle the unique challenges posed by drone data. They meticulously examine flight logs, metadata, and other relevant information to piece together the drone's activities. Flight logs are particularly valuable as they provide a detailed record of the drone's movements over time. These logs include crucial information such as altitude, speed, and GPS coordinates, which are essential for understanding the drone's behavior. By analyzing this data, experts can recreate the drone's flight path with remarkable accuracy. This reconstruction helps investigators understand where the drone traveled and what it might have captured during its flight. Metadata, which is often embedded in images and videos taken by the drone, provides additional context and details. This metadata includes timestamps, camera settings, and GPS coordinates, offering a wealth of information. Such information is crucial for verifying the authenticity of media files, ensuring that the data has not been tampered with. Additionally, it helps corroborate timelines and locations, providing a clearer picture of events. Forensic tools like ESRI's ArcGIS are particularly useful for visualizing flight paths. This software overlays the drone's movements onto detailed maps, making it easier to track and analyze the drone's journey. The result is a visual representation of the drone's journey, which makes the data more accessible and easier to comprehend for investigators and analysts alike. Section 6. Putting the pieces together. Building a forensic narrative. User registration data is another valuable piece of the puzzle. Most drones require users to register their devices. This registration data links the drone to its owner. This connection is crucial in investigations. Investigators can use this information to track down suspects. They can also use it to verify ownership claims. In cases of illegal drone activity, registration data can be the key to identifying the responsible party. By combining data from the drone, mobile devices, and user registration, investigators build a comprehensive narrative. This narrative outlines the drone's activities, its operator, and any relevant communications. This detailed reconstruction of events is essential for legal proceedings. It provides evidence-based insights. These insights help determine liability, verify claims, or support criminal charges. Section 7. The power of visuals, mapping drone movements. Flight log analysis goes beyond simple data interpretation. Specialized software can recreate the drone's flight path. This creates a visual representation of the drone's journey. These visualizations are powerful tools. They help investigators understand the drone's movements in relation to its surroundings. They can also reveal patterns and anomalies in the drone's flight. For example, a drone flying erratically might indicate that it was trying to avoid detection. A drone hovering over a specific location for an extended period might suggest surveillance. These visualizations provide valuable context for investigators. By combining flight path visualizations with other evidence, investigators build a stronger case. They can present a more compelling argument in court. Section 8. Beyond the drone. Exploring data from connected devices. Drones often interact with other devices, such as smartphones and computers. These devices can store valuable data related to the drone's operation. Analyzing this data is crucial for a complete investigation. For example, investigators might find flight planning applications on a suspect's smartphone. These applications could contain saved flight plans, waypoints, and other relevant information. Similarly, computers might store downloaded drone footage, flight logs, or communication records. Accessing and analyzing this data requires specialized tools and techniques. Forensic experts use similar methods as those used for drone and mobile device extraction. They ensure data integrity throughout the process. By examining data from connected devices, investigators gain a broader perspective on the drone's activities. They can uncover hidden connections, motives, and intentions. Section 9. The importance of reporting, presenting findings clearly. The final step in drone forensics is report writing. This involves documenting the entire investigation process. It includes the methods used, the data collected, and the findings. A well-written report is crucial for legal proceedings. It must be clear, concise, and easy to understand. It should present the findings in a logical and objective manner. The report should include supporting evidence such as charts, graphs, and images. This helps to illustrate the findings and make them more accessible to a non-technical audience. A comprehensive and well-written report strengthens the case. It ensures that the findings are admissible in court. It also plays a vital role in achieving a just outcome.